Bonjour mes étudiants Sixth Standard. I welcome you all to this session, Leçon 1, les salutations. So from this lesson we have been learning vocabularies and we saw formal and informal way of greeting people. So this class will be revising what we have seen so far and we'll continue with the French dialogue. So last class I told you how to be polite and how to greet them politely. So we will see that once as a revision and then we'll go for the French dialogue today and you'll have some online test as well. Excusez-moi madame. So you are just going to repeat along with me. Excusez-moi madame. So we say excusez-moi madame when we enter into the class. Entre s'il te plaît. This is the reply which your miss will say to you. Entre s'il te plaît. Next is pardonnez-moi monsieur. So this, when you make a mistake, you ask your teacher, pardonnez-moi monsieur. De rien, je t'en prie. De rien, je t'en prie. So if you see this situation here, both are walking on the way to the door. One dropped the book. So I think this man dropped the book because of this girl. So she is asking, pardonnez-moi monsieur. And this man replies as de rien, je t'en prie. So seeing the image you can make out what would be the conversation. So this is a daughter and this is father. Daughter is asking, showing the candy shop, the ice cream shop. S'il vous plaît papa. S'il vous plaît papa. That means please papa, I want it. And in case if you're playing in the ground, you have to ask sorry if you just dash someone unknowingly. You can say désolé, désolé. Okay, and the reply will be from the opponent is oh ça va, oh ça va. That means no, I'm okay. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Merci beaucoup. So this situation you can say this is between a teacher and a student. Okay. Now move to the next page. So far we have been waiting for this dialogue only. Page number 18. So we are going to again see the difference between conversation informel and formal. So again and again we are repeating this because you guys are beginners. You must understand the differentiation between the conversation formal and informal. So we will start with the formal. So hope you guys know these characters, Harry Potter and his friend. Now Harry says salut. This is Ron and he says salut, comment tu t'appelles? Harry, je m'appelle Harry Potter. Et toi? Ron, je m'appelle Ron. So imagine you both have a friend, you have two friends and you can talk among yourself and imagine you talk to your person 1 talks to person 2. First you have to say salut. So repeat along with me, salut. Okay, so the next one is salut, comment tu t'appelles? So your first time you're going to ask greet as well as you're going to ask the name. So you have to say salut, comment tu t'appelles? So the reply will be je m'appelle and he will say his name and et toi. As he says his name, he will also ask your name as a question. So for that you have to reply as je m'appelle Ron, or you can say je m'appelle and your name. So this is the situation of informal. Two things we will learn here. Salut is a informal way of greeting someone, that is saying hi. Okay, and the informal way of asking a person a name, comment tu t'appelles, this is informal way of asking. So two things you have to underline. Take a pencil and underline salut, comment tu t'appelles. So whenever you are talking with a friend, you can follow this syntax. Okay, this method you can follow and try to imitate the same dialogue with one of your friend if he knows French, or if you wish, teach him this and you just have a small conversation like this. Now we will move to conversation formelle. So conversation formelle is between a professor and a student. So dialogue 2 is formal. Formal means a professional conversation. So with the same pencil, just underline this: bonjour Manuel, bonjour monsieur. So both the people give a good start, that is a formal start. Bonjour Manuel, bonjour monsieur, comment vous appelez-vous? So this is the second thing which you have to underline. Comment vous appelez-vous? So if you see the difference, here it is comment tu t'appelles and here it is comment vous appelez-vous. The meaning is same but the manner is different. This is a non-respective manner, and this is in a respective way you ask someone's name. So underline bonjour and also underline comment vous appelez-vous. Bonjour Manuel, bonjour monsieur, comment vous appelez-vous? Now the professor replies, je m'appelle Jean Martin. Manuel says, au revoir monsieur, and the professor replies, au revoir Manuel. So this way they end the conversation. Okay, so they started the conversation with a greeting and they ask their name in a respective way and they end the conversation with au revoir. If you see, there is a model in this, that is bonjour is the first way to greet someone unknown in a formal way. Second thing, in a formal way, if you want to ask someone's name, comment vous appelez-vous? And the third thing is saying bye to them is must. So when you start a conversation, here in informal conversation, there is no need that you must be proper. Okay, you must finish the conversation properly because he might be your friend or he might be younger to you. But here it is must to finish the conversation in a proper way. So we'll revise once again. So repeat along with me. Bonjour Manuel, bonjour monsieur, comment vous appelez-vous? Repeat along with me. Comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Jean Martin. Au revoir monsieur, au revoir Manuel. So this is one of the class situation. You can see here few people will be talking inside and there is a professor and one is entering inside, and let's see what's happening. Okay, so imagine we'll start from here, from the friends. Salut, ça va? Ça va et toi? So this girl is saying salut. That means between the friends it is informal conversation. And here ça va et toi? So this guy gives a informal way of reply. And this guy also says salut Caroline. So this is between friends. In the same class, the teacher is there. Okay, so now teacher speaks in a formal way. Okay, that is with respect. So the first thing is bonjour monsieur. So this girl enters the class and she says bonjour. Imagine if she says salut, it is a wrong conversation because with the teacher you have to be formal. Okay, so bonjour monsieur. The reply from the teacher is bonjour Sarah, comment allez-vous? So with respect the teacher asks bonjour Sarah, comment allez-vous? You can underline this also. Comment allez-vous means how are you doing? Okay, the reply from Sarah is bien et vous? Bien et vous? See, here it is toi, but here it is vous. So bien et vous means I am fine sir, thank you, and how about you? So it is in a respective manner. So this is the difference in a single hall. So in the same hall, one speaks formally and one speaks informally. So this is the situation, you have to speak informal among your friends, but with the same in the same hall with the teacher you have to speak formally. So you must know the difference. Now let's move to the exercise. Today's homework is exercise number 1 and 2. You will be doing exercise number 1. So just I taught you a dialogue, right? So conversation formelle. So dialogue B. See, from this dialogue, seeing this dialogue, dialogue 2, you have to finish exercise number 1. Imagine, I'll give you some example. Bonjour. Second one, what is the second answer? Bonjour, monsieur. So you can write the same. Bonjour, monsieur. Next is comment vous appelez-vous? The same dialogue will repeat there, but if you want, you can change the name. Je m'appelle Jean-Martin. Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, Manuel. The same dialogue will come here. But you must understand what comes before and what comes after. So this is Bonjour, Manuel. In the same line, you have to ask comment vous appelez-vous, because it's the formal conversation. You have to say Bonjour, monsieur. Comment vous appelez-vous? And the answer will be Je m'appelle. You will say his name. And et toi? Oh, so sorry. See, et toi is given. So this is an informal conversation. So you can start like Bonjour, Manuel, and you can say Comment tu t'appelles? Okay, you can use from dialogue 1 because toi is given. So the conversation will be like this. Okay, so you have to repeat bonjour and you can ask comment tu t'appelles. You have to try. Okay, so because for past 3 classes we are seeing this, so that's why I am not giving you the answers. You can try and then I will give you the answer next week. Okay, so first is bonjour, and you can say bonjour Manuel or bonjour monsieur, and comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Manuel, et toi? And they will say je m'appelle Martin something. Then will be au revoir Martin, au revoir Manuel. That's it. So you try this, and you will have exercise number 2 as your online test. How to do exercise number 2? Any guess? Donnez les mots français. Hello, good night, bye, fine, thank you, how are you, see you tomorrow, what is your name, good evening, what is your name, to a friend. So how will find this? You have any idea? Yeah, a few guessed it right. So go to the vocabulary section. First search hello. So here is hello. So the answer is salut. So write this there. Okay. Likewise, what is the next question? Good night. How do you say good night? Even though you know, search here. See, good night. So the answer is bonne nuit. What's the next question? Goodbye, fine, thank you. Now we will search 2 by 2. Okay. Goodbye. See, goodbye is here. The answer is au revoir. Okay. Fine, thank you. Let's see, where is fine, thank you? See, fine, thank you means ça va bien, merci. And leave the rest. And you leave it. Okay. So ça va bien, merci. We'll stop with ça va bien, merci. And what's next? How are you to an adult? So, comment allez-vous? If you want, I can show it. How are you to an adult? Let's see. See, how are you to an adult? Okay. Comment allez-vous? So, likewise, you have to find. See you tomorrow. This you know, for midterm itself you finished. À demain. What is your name to an adult? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name to a friend? Comment tu t'appelles? Good evening, bonsoir. So this exercise number 1 and 2 you will finish. Exercise number 2 will be for your online test. So that's it for you today, guys, and next class will be seeing exercise number 3, 4, 5 and exercise number 8. Okay, with that we will end this lesson. If you want to try, you can try this exercise number 3 also. It is in a jumbled letter. You can try what word you have to find it. Okay. Merci mes étudiants. So do your homeworks right. Okay. So as well as Prepare for your online test, exercise number 2. Merci mes étudiants, bonne journée.